Hello everybody. The region Andina. And then. My name is Nicolás Mateo Monsalve Esteves. Where is it located? The Andean region in Colombia covers around 278,600, which corresponds to 24.5% of Colombia's territory. The Andean region is one of the 6 natural regions of Colombia. It is located in the center of the country and has a wide range of thermal flows and the largest number of natural parks. Through this welcoming region of Colombia pass the 3 mountain ranges of the Andes, the western, central, and eastern. What is the weather like? The climate of this region is temperate and mountainous. It has a great diversity of climate and natural resources, such as minerals that lie in the subsoil, wild animals and others. What do its people look like? Most of the people in this region are tall and medium, fat, muscular and skinny. They have dark hair, large dark eyes and big, half fair and medium skin. What places can people visit there? You can visit the 7 most popular tourist places in the Andean region are the Coffee Route, or in Spanish, la Ruta del Cacao, el Cocuy National Natural Park, los Nevados National Natural Park, the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, Lake of Tota, Salt Cathedral, the Lost City. What activities can people do there? The activities that people can do there are: test the variety of food to be found, know the beauty of the villages, ride a horse or canoe along the Magdalena River, know the museums and places of historical importance, go to the Park Tayrona and the Hacienda Nápoles. Thank you for your attention.